everyone and welcome back to my channel. Okay, my hairstyle is always up in a ponytail or straight down. It's pointless of me growing my hair out because I don't do anything different to it. But I love curly hair. Like when I have it, I just feel like it just makes like an outfit so much more like glam. Even if you're wearing something basic, if your hair is like curly and like done, you just seem more put together. That's the impression I get anyway. I don't know how to do it. Okay, I have got so many different products. I have bought the rollers, I've bought the wands, I've bought everything, and honestly I'm just an idiot because I can't figure it out. I don't get why I'm so cack-handed or something. I just can't do it. Okay, I try, I burn myself, I get stressed, and then I throw a tantrum. So for Christmas I thought, you know what, I'm going to ask for a product that I had seen on the internet where it rolls it for you. And that's where I kind of mess up. I can't figure out to do it. Like, especially when I get to this side, I'm like, yeah, I just can't do it, okay? Can't. So I saw this. And it is the Remington, which, by the way, Remington is what I use my straighteners with. And honestly, I feel like they're so much better than the GHDs. Like, they're half the price. I think they were like 50 quid. And honestly, I feel like they straighten my hair so much quicker. My hair still looks glossy. And I haven't straightened my hair today, by the way, this is just natural. Before you're like, oh girl, like, are you serious? Like, it does keep it dead straight, and I feel like it stays straight. It's a good mix. And then I thought, when I saw this, which was a Curl Revolution automatic curl creator, I had high hopes. So here it says it's a rotating barrel, automatically creates perfect curls. So it creates desirable loose curls effortlessly and fast, 2 ways rotating barrels for uniformed or natural curls. 4 times protecting coating, anti-static ceramic, tourmaline. Okay, we're getting words I don't know. Smooth glide. Automatically safety shut off 60 minutes, I think that means, because it's got 60 there. A digital temperature display with 5 settings, 160 to 230, and instant curl technology automatically creates gorgeous ribbon curls. If this doesn't work, I'm just going to deal with the fact that unless I get it done professionally, I'm never going to have my hair curly. That's just the reality of it. So it comes with this little pouch to protect it in. And then this is what the actual wand looks like. Why does this look so huge? Like, why does this feel so much bigger than what I thought it would be? I don't know what the size I thought it would be, but it wasn't this. But here we are. And obviously it comes with the instructions, and it comes with a step-by-step guide. Okay, so here we go, shall we? Okay, it's at 200. How do you open it? First things first, read the instructions. Step 1, place your hair through the opening. What? That little slit? Does it not open? Place your hair through the opening in the style barrel with the curl graphic, that little sign, facing your head. With your other hand, hold the piece of hair. Your hair should sit diagonally through the barrel to get the right angle for curling. Keep hold of the hair and press the rotation switch. Hold the styler in the same position and it will automatically feed your hair through the barrel. Let go of the hair when you feel it being guided through the barrel. Oh dear God, my hair is going to get stuck, isn't it? Hair will rotate around the barrel and release automatically once curled. Repeat around your hair to create the curls. Allow hair to cool before styling. Oh no. I'm going to have no hair. Oh, okay, so you hold that and it goes. Okay. I don't know when it's hot enough. Oh, it's getting warmer. How will I know when it's like at the temperature? Does the red turn green? Oh, apparently it's ready in 15 seconds. That's how fast it heats up. Brush it out for the knots. I'm gonna do half and half. That's what people do, don't they? I'm sorry, I'm just trying to do it so that you can see everything. Maybe if I start off with this side. Let's start off with this side because then you'll be able to see. So it says, put it in like that. Then hold it. And hold it. Ah! How do I know it's done? Do I turn it off? I'm gonna burn my hair, aren't I? Well, that didn't do it, did it? I've just got dents in my hair now. Okay, it says, alright, let's trust the machine, Jess. Let's just trust the machine. It said it will let go when it's done it. Ah! Okay. This is so hard. I'm so sorry. I mean, it's not doing it. It's not letting go. Well, that didn't work. I'm afraid that it's gonna burn my hair off.
That's my fucking t-shirt.
Yeah, no, I needed it, sorry.
Oh, I'm gonna be wearing that because I mean this one's dirty.
Yeah. This is like that video, you know that one when she like does it and it comes away and it burns off? This is what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna come away and there's gonna be nothing.
Press the button. Button.
There is no button, that's what I mean. Apparently it'll just let it go.
Oh, you're fucked.
But no. It's not.
Is it because your hair's too... Oh my gosh.
It just doesn't do it.
Is it because your hair's too soft?
No. Shouldn't be.
It probably is.
I just don't know if I'm doing... Do you know what? I'm going to watch a YouTube video and see, because it's got the little YouTube sign, so hold on. I'm going to do that and come back. I'm going to try a different bit of hair, because that bit's just fucked now. I just don't understand how she did it. She did it from the top. Alright, let me do a really tiny piece. It's in. Maybe I was doing too much hair. Okay, maybe, okay, I had like, okay, we got a little bit of a curl. Maybe the trick is I was doing too much hair. I think I know why this curl works and the others are not working. Because they're not holding it down. It's just constantly rotating. But the problem is it gets stuck. When I do it, it just gets stuck. Like it's too, it's just not a constant rotate. See now it's stuck, it's not doing it. It can't naturally rotate. Because if I keep doing, see, now it's on my head. I just don't understand. She made it look so easy. She's a liar. I did it once. That means I'm capable of doing it again. I will not be defeated by a machine.
Try to interrupt.
No.
It's meant to go inside it.
No, it's gone around.
No, it's meant to go inside
it. It was meant to go around it.
Yeah, it's meant to go inside it though, not just wrap round the outside.
Oh.
There you go.
No, but...
No, that's it. And then do it diagonal so it can't go...
I don't know how to do it. Look, now it's come out.
Hold it.
No, because it says it will just do it automatically.
If you're wrapping it round
because
the
it does it automatically.
Wrapping it round the outside.
Because it does it automatically, Sam. Do it like that. The hair should go diagonally.
That's it, and then just keep it following through.
Just
No, now it's going to pop out the top. I told you it's going to pop out the top.
But it says once it's...
Hey, look, you got a curl. Curly?
See, I don't know if that's what it meant. Oh, when they go, when it's naturally killed. It's a fucking liar. Hi, Quarantine Jasmine here. If you still happen to be here after all my moaning, I apologise, but thank you. Yeah, so in the next clip where I'm actually kind of showing you what you have to do, because I've finally figured it out, I have my jacket off. Now, the reason I was wearing a leather jacket indoors is because I had technically only fake tanned my hands, so it looked like I had fake tanned my whole body because I had to do a video showing how I did my makeup. But I forgot I had done that, and I have exposed myself because basically my arms are pale and it basically the tan is like up to here. So yeah, just so you know, I had to keep the clip in, but yeah, sorry about that. But there you go, I've exposed myself for yeah, faking it basically. Okay, after all my sulking, I think I may have got the hang of it. Just takes practice, but once you get the hang of it, I think it could be, has potential. And it is super quick if I'm doing this right. I think the trick is to use little strips, like lose little strands of hair. Definitely, and make sure it's definitely diagonally like it says. I think that is the trick. So. And now it's done. Yeah, see, that one went so good. Okay, if I've now got the hang of it, this is super quick and easy. Put it in, go. Diagonally, going diagonally. I can feel it being pulled through. Just let itself go. And you're done. Okay, okay, if this is right, then this could be my new favourite toy now. I have to do it all over again. Oh! Not the whole hair, just that bit. Huh?
What bit?
The bit I was just doing right then. I've only fake taped my hands because it's the only bit they see to match my face, but my arms are white. Well, I do have curly hair. I mean, I haven't obviously hairsprayed, so this will probably fall out really quickly. I literally have just done it, but it's not that bad. I actually don't mind the look. You know, after multiple tantrums, sulks, and everything else in between, once I started to get the hang of it, it was actually really easy to use. When I used like a thinner strip of hair and I got the hang of it, it took about 10 seconds. Once you know, it's a really good product. I actually really like it, and I will probably be doing my hair like this more now, because if you're like me and you find it hard to do it's the bit when you're trying to turn it, you can't, especially on this side. I don't know if anyone else has like a good or bad side. This side I can never figure it out. Then this would be a good product for you, because obviously it does the rotation for you. So if you're like me and a bit cack-handed, I would definitely recommend this. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Bye!